Hi, it's weekend. Welcome to my vlog. Today I am taking you on a journey to the iconic Taj Fort Aguada in Goa. First, let me show you the beautiful cottage, and then next I will give you the details on booking.
In Taj Fort Aguada Resort. So this is in Cantalip. So yeah, so they are given you a little water, phone. Oh god, such a nice bed, and yeah, this is where you can have your dinner, lunch, or whatever you order. The room service basically. So yeah. And this is a big TV. This is nice wardrobe. And yeah, bathtub.
So if you're planning to visit, it's super easy to book. Just visit the official website shared in the description below, or use any third-party platform like Make My Trip or Booking.com. This place is known to its lush green gardens and beautifully landscaped spaces that add to the serene and luxurious ambience to the property. Make sure you take a walk through the gardens during your visit. It's one of the most peaceful spots on the property. Well, the star of the show is of course Fort Aguada, built by the Portuguese in 1612. This fort has centuries of history and offers unbeatable views of Arabian Sea. It's a must-visit spot for history buffs and photographers. So this place offers so many experiences to make your stay memorable, whether it's yoga by the sea, thrilling water sports, or simply enjoying a sunset walk on the beach. There's something for everyone. One of the highlights of my stay was dining at Paper Moon, the Italian restaurant at this location. The food here is absolutely incredible. From authentic pasta and wood-fired pizza to rich desserts, everything is made with fresh ingredients. The ambience is cozy. So if you are a fan of Italian cuisine, this place is a must visit for you. Well, amazing thing about staying in Taj Fort Aguada is that you will get a complimentary access to Taj Village as well. Shuttle runs between the two properties and you can enjoy Taj Village amenities at no extra cost. So basically it's like having two resorts with the price of one. So this is for today. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Taj Fort Aguada, including the stunning property, the historic fort, and the amazing Italian dining at Paper Moon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in next. Take care.